Good morning, second class children. Very good morning to all. Okay, I hope everyone is ready for the class to listen. Okay, so second class children, I would like to say something for you all. That is, very soon I am going to conduct one small slip test for you. Okay, that slip test is very important. Listen, children. Slip test is very important. Why, teacher? You may ask. Because మీరు స్లిప్ టెస్ట్ రాసిన దాని ఆ మార్క్స్ మీకు ఎఫ్ఐలో యాడ్ చేస్తాం మేము ఓకే we will add the marks. So surely I think children, see, you are going to show the good performance in the exam. Small slip test. Okay, we are not going to write any other exam. I'm going to conduct only simple test for you all. So we had completed so far how many lessons? 10 lessons. Near about we had completed 10 lessons, children. So among 10 lessons, I am not going to take the complete entire 10 lessons. First 5 lessons. From first 5 lessons, any lesson I am going to take. Which lesson? You know that? Which lesson I am going to conduct a slip test? Okay. Lesson number 4. Which lesson? From lesson number 4 and 5. So, either I am going to say, if at all it is lesson number 4, then I will inform you, you prepare for lesson number 4. If I am going to prepare from lesson number 5, I am going to conduct exam, then you prepare for lesson number 5, children. Okay. So don't worry, complete lesson I am not going to conduct. మొత్తం lessons అన్ని పెట్టడం కాదు. Explanation is completed. Okay. So I am going to stop the lessons. I am not going to continue with the new lessons. నేను మీకు అందరికీ న్యూ లెసన్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను. కొద్ది రోజు మనము ఆపేస్తాం. Okay. I am going to stop for few days. Because let me know that how many children had understand the way what I had taught you. Okay. So the thing is what I am going to conduct the slip test, children. This slip test is very important. Okay, take it in the serious way. మీరందరూ నీట్గా చిన్న ఎగ్జామ్ పెద్ద 100 మార్క్స్ పేపర్ అలాంటి ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, ఒక 20 మార్క్స్ కానీ 10 మార్క్స్ కానీ 5 మార్క్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. డోంట్ బదర్ అబౌట్ ద మార్క్స్. ఓకే, బట్ ఈ మార్క్స్ మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో టీచర్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ just a hint to be alert for the slip test. So are you all ready for now? We will revise the lesson. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చెప్తున్నామో we are going to revise. అంటే జరిగిన లెసన్స్ ని మళ్ళీ ఒక్కసారి మనము రివిజన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ సెకండ్ లెసన్ I will tell you later. Now we will go with the fourth lesson, that is wild animals. Which lesson? From lesson number 4, wild animals. Tomorrow again I will explain lesson number 1. Okay, children. So today we are preparing which lesson? Lesson number 4. Okay, from lesson number 4. Already we had completed. But this is a revision for you all, children. Okay. So now in wild animals lesson, what we had learned? Yes, animal food, what they like to eat, where do they live, isn't it? So these are the things. What are the animals you can see in the forest? Which animals you can see in the jungles? Which type of animals? Okay. See here, homes of animals we had learned, isn't it, children? So here I am going to ask you about write any 5 names of wild animals. ఓకే, రాస్తారా మళ్ళీ 5 animals? ఏదైనా 5 wild animals పేరండి. రైట్ ఎనీ 5 wild animals అంటే ఏమేమి రాస్తారు? Come on, say all of you. Lion, isn't it? First you will start from lion, isn't it? Then tiger, tiger. Then fox, fox. Elephant, 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 isn't it? The next one is, you can go with the giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. Giraffe. Okay, children. So the next one I am going to ask you the water animals. What is the name? Any water animal name? Water animal name undi? Fish and turtle. Water animal is fish and turtle. So you should have to write the name of the water animal is fish and turtle. If I ask you name any two water animals ante fish and turtle రాయండి. Okay. If I ask you name any 5 or 3 wild animals means you can write any, select any 3 wild animals name. Okay. Now the next one, listen children. Now teacher will draw a tree, sorry, shelter. What is this name of the shelter? What is this? Nest. Okay. So you tell me now. Which animal can live in this nest? Birds. It's not animal, but birds lives in a nest. Okay. So nest, which now I'll show you first. I'll draw the picture of bird. Then you write the name of the shelter. Okay, children. For example, this is okay. I will explain from here. Now suppose, now teacher had drawn the bird, children. So where do they live? Birds, isn't it? Tell me now, where do they live? Nest. Then you draw the picture of nest and write the name. N-E-S-T. టీచర్ డ్రా చేస్తే మీరు అక్కడ కింద పేరు రాయండి, నెస్ట్ అండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలి? నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ఎనీ బర్డ్ నేమ్, పిజిఎన్, ప్యారెట్, జస్ట్ జనరల్గా బర్డ్ అని రాయండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ స్నేక్. టేక్ ద స్నేక్. Snake, where it lives? In a hole. Very good. So everyone is giving the answer. Very good. Spell the word of snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Hole. Where it lives? Hole. You can draw the hole like this. Okay. Okay, snake. I will try and draw cheyandi. The next one, fish. Where it lives? Fish live in where? Fish lives in water. So draw the water, write the spelling of water, W-A-T-E-R, water. Okay children, so this is the example. Then monkey under trees, avani odu. Okay, so this is the thing. So what are the food habits? If I ask you next example, so what is the next example? Food habits of the wild animals. Yes, now tell me, suppose now plant eating animals. What are the plant eating animals? Which animals are the plant eating animals? Tell me now. I will ask you, you have to sort out the plant eating and the plant eating and animal eating animal. That is, they eat the flesh eating animal. I'm sorry, they eat flesh. Flesh eating animals are which one? Flesh eating animals are, yes. First let me start with the plant eating animals. Okay, who are they? Which animals are the? Deer. Very good. First one is deer. Number 2, elephant. Number 2, elephant. Number 3, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Flesh eating animals. Which animals? Lion, tiger, crocodile. Lion, tiger, crocodile. Okay. So these are the two differences. Okay, if I ask you plant eating and flesh eating animals, then you should have to sort out, children. So which animals they eat both flesh of which animal will eat the dead animals, which animals they eat the both plants and animals, that also you should have to name the animals. If teacher draw the picture, then you write the, just simple write the name of the animals. Okay children, so these are the, like this example I am going to ask in the slip test FA. Tomorrow again, once again I will give the practice. See, listen children, not only this, about this, and I will ask you, I'll ask for some simple bits, fill in the blanks, give 2 examples. Okay, so you can write. If I ask you 2 wild animals, you can write, isn't it? If I ask you 2 plant eating animals, select any 2 plant eating animals and you can write. So like this I am going to ask you the bits. Tomorrow I will write the, I'm going to show you the, I'm going to highlight the bits. ఓకే, నేను మీకు అందరూ బిట్స్ పేరు రాస్తాను, ఏమేమి ఎలాంటి బిట్స్ వస్తుంది, ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి, అవన్నీ మీకు రేపు చూపిస్తాను. ఓకే, సో గెట్ రెడీ. వెరీ సూన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కండక్ట్ ద స్లీప్ టెస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, అండ్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద జస్ట్ ఐ హైలైట్ ద ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ఆల్ ద బిట్స్ నేమ్ నేను పెడతాను. మీరు ఎలా పెడితే కూడా మీరు రాయడం ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ అది ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాక్స్లో వస్తే కూడా మీరు ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాక్స్లో ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వడమే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో గెట్ రెడీ for the sleep test practice. Okay, so hope so this class is very clear for you. The lesson number is 4. Go through the lesson number 4 animals, wild animals chapter. Listen the class once again. When you have this, I think this session is with you. Okay, once again you listen the class and get ready for the snip test. Okay children, thank you and be safe all.